Hello everyone. Today we are going to interface the sensor AD7416ARZ with Arduino. Let's first take a look at the sensor on controleverything.com. Now, it is a temperature sensor with a 10-bit temperature output and an accuracy of plus minus 1 degree Celsius at 25 degrees Celsius and plus minus 2 degrees Celsius over the temperature range. For its code, you can check out our resources section on controleverything.com, and here is the Arduino code. And you can also go inside her GitHub repository, which is a Control Everything community. Let's go inside github.com, and here you can search for Control Everything community. And after you have done that, you can search for the sensor AD7416ARZ, and here is the sensor. And for Arduino, you must remember to install the Arduino IDE. Now, to install the Arduino IDE, you can look in for the steps onto this link, and then you can download the code from our GitHub repository and compile the code and upload it to the Arduino. Now, to see the output, you have to see the serial monitor of Arduino. Let's take a look at the code. And inside the code, basically on the device address, which is 0x48, we have written 0x00 to request 2 bytes of data, which is the temperature MSB and temperature LSB, and then we have converted the data according to the formula given in the data sheet. After that, we have printed the data onto the serial monitor, and in 2 formats we have done that, which is degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now let's take a look at the hardware, and then we will interface the sensor with Arduino. Alright, this is our Arduino Nano module, and we plug in the Arduino Nano on an I2C shield, which is available on controleverything.com. Now, this is our sensor AD7416ARZ. Now, to connect this sensor to the I2C shield, we use this connecting cable. Let's make connections. Now, while making connections, please make sure that the ground of the sensor is connected to the brown wire this way, and similarly to the Arduino shield as well. Now, after you have done that, you can plug in the Arduino Nano onto the Arduino shield. Now, gently push the headers onto the Arduino shield, and this is how it looks. Now, to power it up and to provide the access to a computer, you need a mini USB cable. Let's power it up. And this is how the connections are made. Alright, for the implementation of the code, first of all you need to copy the whole code, and then you can move inside the Arduino IDE where you can paste the code, and after you have pasted the code, you need to verify the code. Now, while verifying, it will ask you to save the file, and this is how you can save the file. Let's name the file as the sensor, and we have saved it. Now wait for its verification. Once the code has been verified, you can first of all you need to go to tools and you need to select the board. Now in our case it's Arduino Nano. Then in the port it will itself select which one to upload the code to. Now let's upload the code. Alright, when the code has been uploaded, you can open the serial monitor to look at its output. Now as you can see the temperature in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Now if I place my finger onto the sensor, the temperature obviously has to change, and it changes. Now if I remove my finger, the temperature gets back to its normal situation, and then if I replace my finger onto the sensor, the temperature changes again. Okay, now that you have understood the working of AD7416ARZ with Arduino, let me tell you some of its applications. While it is commonly used in data acquisition with ambient temperature monitoring, industrial process control, automotive, battery charging, and applications regarding personal computers, You can use it for very many temperature sensing applications. Now, if you have any kinds of doubt, you can go inside the contact us section on controleverything.com, and you can even leave your comments in the community portal of controleverything.com. For more videos and blogs, you can check out our page on hackster.io and instructables.com. And please don't forget to subscribe us on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.